life so crazy I can't understand it. Living my dream, I'm feeling fantastic. Real to go, they feel like it's magic. So I grind on my way up to have it. Hop in my bag, you know I'ma fuck it up. Bitches want me cause they know I got it all. Used to run up the street trying to fuck it up. Had to go get my own, then I run it.
Hey man, look guys, we just dropped our first ever merch. Go ahead and go copy some fresh, look nice, you know what I'm saying? This is the first ever merch. Whatever size you need, go ahead and get that. I promise you're not gonna regret it. Best merch on the market right now. We going crazy with it. RealPelmx not included. Thank you. Hey, what up guys, man? It's your boy, RealPelmx, man. Y'all know what time it is. Keep it real and simple. You see that shit? Hey man. Yeah. Yeah. Me back again with another Dutch music, man. Like, I've been missing my Dutch family lately. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, we started this shit together from the beginning, from the jump. You know what I'm saying? We back here with this bump. You know, we about to get into the fight right there. Ah! Yeah, man. And now you guys are listening to the title, man. Yeah, we're back again with another Dutch music, and we got CHIVV, chain swap. Chain swap? What you mean chain swap? Like, you exchange your chain with somebody, or somebody swipe your chain? Like, snatch your shit. Ain't that shit, bro. What you talking about? Chain swap. Okay, let's get into this shit, man. But before we do, I need you guys to go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment down below if you're new to my channel, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all see, bro, all the videos lately, bro, y'all see me be wearing this, bro, because I'm feeling the Christmas spirit, bro. It's almost Christmas. I'm in my Santa Claus presents, bro. You want me to put my cash app over there, like, send me my presents? You know what I'm saying? Look at shit. Hey man, and please don't forget to that button notification bell. You see my guy over there? Yeah, go ahead and smack that nigga, man. Damn, so y'all don't miss on any of my posts, man. Hey, y'all boy Mickey Mouse, man. Y'all already know, man. It's bangers on this side, man. Y'all know coming on this side of the country, man. Bangers all the way. Hey, let's do this shit. Hey, look. Also, y'all go subscribe to that relationship channel, man, to all my Dutch family watching right now. Hey, some of y'all be asking, oh, can your girl really speak Dutch? Because apparently the old Dutch video that we reacted to, y'all didn't hear her speaking Dutch. Y'all didn't hear enough. Y'all want to hear more. You know what I'm saying? So y'all want to see that? We'll get that channel to 1,000 subs, and we will drop our very first video. It's gonna be a banger, I promise y'all, man. Let's get into this video, man. Let's do the chill.
Ik hoor ik ben gedist, dus laat me even praten.
Okay.
Twee mannen, twee.
Hold on, there's a subtitle. Is it English?
Maar weinig resultaten. Je hebt mijn chain, maar ik de jou, ik zal mijn leven haten.
Leven
Dus wat
haten?
de fucking luitenant, maar je...
Hold on, bro. Let's rewind this shit, bro. It seems like this shit about to snap. I gotta turn this shit up. Stop playing with me.
Ik hoor ik ben gedist, dus laat me even praten. Twee mannen, twee goals, maar weinig resultaten. Je hebt mijn chain, maar ik de jou, ik zal mijn leven haten.
Oh, bro, why did I feel like I just understood what he said over there? He said, you snatched my chain and you thought I'ma let that shit go, like on some bullshit. Like, bro, I don't know, bro. That's what that shit kind of feel and sound like. Like the energy. You say you snatched my chain and you think I'ma let that shit go, my nigga. Like, yeah, listen to this part, bro.
Twee goals, maar weinig resultaten. Je hebt mijn chain, maar ik de jou, ik zal mijn leven haten.
You rep my chain and you think I'ma live for hotter? I don't know what he said right there, but it sound like he said you snap my chain, you think I'ma let that shit go, my nigga? Like, goddamn.
Je bent een fucking luitenant, maar jij hebt geen soldaten. Ik weet het zeker, komen kan, dus ben je niet aanwezig. Ben in je city fully loaded, ben het Irakezen.
Okay,
Biggie dat nog even op je bent.
He said the city is fully loaded, that's the Hikabesa. Like, some real nigga shit.
10 jaar bezig, je bent geen rapper, eerder een varken met diabetes. Joey, je haat op friend en je bent op niks. Jaloezie waardoor je nu verandert in een bitch. Want je beat met een nigger om...
Oh. I think at this point it's like calling out names, giving them props, and so it's also calling out some other names and just cursing them out. Because at the end he said pussy. Like the first one is like some you guys are next, some shit like that. I don't know.
Friend en je bent op niks. Je bent geen rapper, eerder een varken met diabetes. Joey, je haat op friend en je bent op niks.
Joey, I had to friend. Oh, Joey, I had to something. Friend, I said you guys are up next.
Bezig, je bent geen rapper, eerder een varken met diabetes. Joey, je haat op friend en je bent op niks. Jaloezie waardoor je nu verandert in een bitch. Want je beat met een nigger omdat je weet dat hij het skipt. Maar toen je ruzie had met Fik ging je stotteren als een bitch. Zeg dat ik lieg. Dat kan je niet, want ik was ook daar. Gesprek begon met, daarna was het. Je praatjes zijn goedkoop, je doet me denken aan de fok.
Bro, okay. This song right here, bro, I could just tell this is a whole diss track, bro. He just probably calling out every niggas and just telling them, nigga, you a bitch, bro. Nigga, for y'all strike, like, snatching my chain. I don't know, bro. Leave that in the comment section. Let me know if I'm on track with this, cause that's what I'm feeling. Like you swipe your chain and then they're talking about like his chain got snatched somehow. I don't know, bro. I don't fully understand Dutch, but I can slightly get that shit and understand. But we've been coming from far, bro. For me, I'm a slow learner, so it's gonna take me fucking multiple years to fully learn Dutch, bro. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna learn that shit. We learning.
Maar jij valt niet in de smart net als een nigga met corona.
Oh.
2 mannen.
You said this nigga talking shit like he just met corona.
Denken aan de vol, maar jij valt niet in de smart net als een nigga met corona. 2 mannen, 2 guns en ik was solo. Heb ik je kunnen snatchen, dat is een no-go.
No-go.
Je mannen die zijn waar ze geen slow flow. Ik ben een straatsoldaat, ben net als strijders daar in Togo. Chainswap,
Chainswap.
met 100 man is iedereen dap.
Oh, I ain't gonna cap, bro. That chain right there kind of fire. That chain right there kind of fire. Chainswap, bro. It's crazy. Like, this is how you know like somebody's really like calling out some shit, because nigga, this is a one take. It's not like he all over the place doing this shit, and he got his face covered too. It's like shit. Chainswap, like Chainswap. Apart from snatching somebody's chain, it could also be like he probably changed his chain with somebody else and make it seem like he gives somebody the fake one and he took the real one. I don't know.
Je hebt mijn chain en ik naar jou nou. Wat je vat toen man, hoe konden me niet houden. Chainswap, met 100 man is iedereen dap. Je hebt mijn chain en ik naar jou nou. Wat je vat toen man, hoe konden me niet houden.
I the fuck man no condom man me no. I think he said I just fuck your bitch, you know condom and you don't know. Like what? That's crazy. I don't think that's what he said, but he sound like it. Bro.
Ik vind het jammer dat die niggas op me praten. Zijn diezelfde niggas die ik het liever zie maken. Net als mij, eigen krip, ik zweer ik schuld van de daken. Al familie voor mijn osso, dat is inclusief garage. 25 jaar, ik kocht een olie voor mijn maatje. Meer dan 12 jaar heb ik al bijna niks te klagen. Groot in Suriname, Ronnie Flex is die nigga die deur.
Oh, that's to Suriname. I think he's saying respect to Suriname. Oh, I'm from Suriname. You know, respect to my shit, nigga. That's my nigga shit, bro. That's crazy.
Niet geopend, toch vinden ze een manier om te haten. Doet me pijn als ik moet kijken naar ruzies tussen die allochtonen. Ik ben al lang al in het veld, dus moet ik mannen coachen. Maar hoe ik beweeg, dat maakt die mannen boos. Misschien moet ik het skippen, zand erover. Nah nigga, we leven de Belgen. En mijn chain die mag je houden, ik heb een tweede besteld.
Oh, okay, bro. Even though this sound really deep, bro, this song is really pretty deep, bro. It's a really deep song, like, but like I can tell, I can feel the vibe, like, bro. Y'all know for me, bro, like when I react to song, I might not understand what it's saying, but I can feel the vibe and the energy. Like the vibe and the energy tells me what's really going on. So like, bro, it's just my nature, bro. I don't know why God made me this way, but it's my nature. I can sort of read what is going on in the song without understanding. Like music video and a little bit of the energy that you put out, you know what I'm saying? Your emotion and everything, so it's crazy.
Je hebt geen bossen, hoor je moeder slaapt in liggen, des hels. Je hebt geen bossen, hoor je moeder slaapt in liggen, des hels. Je wil me dood, maar adem nog. Mannen die zijn maar as fuck. Money, ja, ik stapel op. Stek zo groot, ik slaap erop. Wacht maar tot ik balans los, dan weet je dat het schade wordt. Mannen die staan voor mijn flat, doen het tijdens avondklok. Ik zie hoe al die mannen shaken. Niggas zijn op beef, ik ben een paper chaser.
Niggas want some beef, but I'll be paper chasing. I don't know if that's what he said, but that's what it sound like. Niggas want beef, nigga. I'm over here paper chasing. You want beef? You sure you don't want chicken? Beef is what you want? You sure it's beef? Chicken? Fish? What you want? Cow leg? Oh, okay. You want beef? Shit, I'm chasing baby, nigga. I don't know what you talking about.
Ik zak je om mijn eindelijk. Maar zelfs een pussy die heeft neergelegd. Chainswap. Met 100 man is iedereen dap.
Oh,
Je hebt een chain en ik naar jou nou. Wat je vat toen man, konden me niet houden. Chainswap. Met 100 man is iedereen dap.
You know, I like how he like kind of like pick up the chain with a fork in the plate. I swear, I thought he had noodles in that plate for a second, and I'm just like, nigga, that's all you gonna eat? For real? Like, bro, that's barely anything, bro. That little bit piece of noodles, that's all you gonna eat? Like, you not hungry for real? Like, nigga, shit, I'm gonna make me good amount of noodles, nigga. If you hungry for real, nigga, you ain't gonna be eating that little piece of noodle, but it was chain. That chain worked more than noodles, my nigga. So you might eat a lot of noodles if you sell that chain. You know what you doing, nigga.
Chain en ik naar jou nou. Wat je vat toen man, konden me niet houden. En die hele grap is, ik zeg je eerlijk, ik ben niet eens para.
It is para.
Niggas weten wat ik doe, niggas weten waar ik vandaan kom, je weet toch?
chain is fucking goated, bro. That shit,
Niggas weten wat ik doe, niggas weten waar ik vandaan kom.
bro. That shit is damn, bro. That shit is clean. That ass tough. I think like he stole that shit from somebody and he just showing them on the screen like, nigga, yeah, I got your shit and you didn't gain that shit back. Nigga, I'm like that. Nigga.
Hey toch? Klimt in de bel, maar onder één dak als die motherfucking niggas. Maar die niggas vinden toch een manier om te haten op diezelfde niggas die uit de beek komen. Oeh. Yeah, toch? En dan denk ik, oké, dan spang, je hebt mijn chain.
Hey, my guy, look, man, I don't know what the chain do to you, bro, but you're not gonna disrespect that shit like that, bro. That nigga, that shit gold with diamonds, bro. That shit glimmy, my nigga. Don't do that, bro. If you don't want to give it to me, stop the disrespect, my nigga. I'll take that chain. I want it. Give it to me. Maybe except for the gun part, I can take that part out and sell it and get the money back and get a different type of diamond. Because now I don't carry guns, nigga. I'm not a gunny nigga. I don't shoot niggas, bro. I fight niggas, though. I beat your ass if you try me. You know, some real nigga shit. I'm a real nigga. I fight. I don't shoot. But niggas that pussies, you know what I'm saying? All the niggas that soft use guns, you know what I'm saying? Because they're not about that aim, bro. You're not trying to fight that nigga, you weak. Because you're looking for the easy way out. Show you a man, nigga. No, with a gun. Shit. But you disrespecting that chain, bro. I don't like it, bro. Give it to me if you don't want it. That's all I'm saying, man. I'll take good care of it.
Mensen in de hoed weten het. Weet toch, het is gebeurd.
Look at that shit.
En nu ga ik een track maken. Je wil me dissen. Dus basically, je wil mijn carrière eindigen.
Mijn carrière
Wat,
eindigen.
voor cloud?
Oh, voor cloud.
Dus deze dagen werken we voor cloud. It's like that.
Oh.
Dus je wil mijn carrière gewoon eindigen.
Facts or clout? Or is he saying facts is greater than clout? Which is true. Like the real shit is greater than the clout. You can be a walking clout. It don't matter, bro. If you're not a truthful real nigga, bro, you just nothing, bro. You just a weak nigga, bro. Unforgettable. Is that like a name of the album or like the producer or something? I don't know. But unforgettable. Yeah, this song can be unforgettable because this shit is slapped, bro. This shit's some fire shit. I fuck with it. That shit bang. That's tough. But look, man, that'll be for this video, man. Leave a comment down below. Hey, I might be mistaken throughout the whole video, but let me know what this shit is about. And if I'm on the right track, like I said, man, your boy got that shit. Yo, boy, you know your boy do this shit. He all that shit. The Christmas spirit down and feeling all that shit, man. I'm saying, my nigga, check. But look, man, that'll be for the video. Leave a comment down below, like I said, what you like to see next on Dutch music. We're gonna swipe right into it without wasting no time. It's your boy RealPelmx. Man, y'all know what time it is. Keep it real and simple. Hey, y'all go follow your boy on Instagram, man, for real. No cap. Just count that number up. You feel me? Hey, God love you. God bless y'all, man.